Looking for a charging cable that truly keeps up with your Apple devices? The Amazon Basics Nylon Braided Lightning to USB cable promises fast, reliable charging across a wide range of iPhones, iPads, and even iPods. Whether you have an iPhone SE, 2nd Gen, an iPad Pro, or a Beats Pill Plus, this cable is built to deliver consistent power without the usual wear and tear. What sets this cable apart is its MFi-certified chipset. Powered by Apple's original C89 smart chip, it instantly recognizes your device to provide a safe and stable connection. That means no more worrying about compatibility issues or slow charging speeds. Plus, the cable supports up to 2.4 amps, ensuring your devices charge quickly and efficiently every time. Durability is another strong suit here. The cable features a tough nylon braided exterior that resists fraying, while extra reinforcement around the Lightning and USB connectors protects against damage from daily use. This sturdy design keeps the cable secure and snug in your device's port, preventing loose connections and interruptions during charging. A real user shared their experience after 2 years of use, even with a cat who clearly didn't respect the cable's boundaries. Despite heavy bending and chewing, the cable stayed intact, unlike their original Apple cable which started cracking and fraying dangerously. They also appreciated the longer length and the stylish pink color, proving that durability doesn't mean boring. If you're tired of replacing worn-out cables or dealing with slow charging, this Amazon Basics Lightning to USB cable is worth a look. It offers the perfect balance of speed, compatibility, and toughness, backed by a worry-free lifetime warranty and dedicated customer service to keep you covered. Ready to upgrade your charging setup? This cable's reliable performance and long-lasting build make it a smart choice for anyone with Apple devices. Try it when you're ready and experience fast, secure charging without the hassle of fragile cables. With universal compatibility covering everything from the iPhone 5 series to the latest iPad Air models, this cable fits seamlessly into your daily routine. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your devices are powered safely and efficiently, no matter which Apple product you own.